Olivetti M40. I already reviewed this one at the time. I got a problem with this, the raised ribbon. So I take out and then I look at the inside and then fix it. Then it's a very beautiful typewriter, very solid, right? And then someone asked me about the bell system. He mentioned it's a spring this attached. So I think it's not serious. It's simply we can do that. See, let me see the sunshine over there. So this is better, right? Same thing, maybe a little bit better. This like this, right? It's this like this. So see, it's a little bit hard to see the inside, but here this one, if the touch this small stuff go there and then touch this side, I'll show you, okay? Like see, going close. Now it's touch, right? Touch means like this, and then it's increase like this, because this one move up. Like after touch means this one move up, and then the spring power it's hit the bell like this. So I don't know, he's mentioned the spring detached means this one, right? I guess. So this one it's not important. This one just need the power. If we increase it, then going down, that kind of spring. So we can make a spring and then put here, or we can use another spring and then put here. So the basically principle or mechanism is simple. This stuff touch the top part, and then this one increase like a top like this. That means this one move to the from here to the right side. That means it's increase like this, and then past the trigger, then automatically it's going down. It's because it's going back. Like this one automatically going back means this going down. So make a sound, hit the bell like this. So it's not that complicated. It's very simple. Again, I will show you again. Okay, maybe possible it's pass there. A little bit dangerous. See here. Here. Yeah, this part touch trigger. That means increase this one from here, right? Then like this. So not that hard. Like after touch the trigger, it should move like this, right? It's automatically, right? And then just we need the spring power is move back to here. That means make sound. I hope this video helped him figure out the problem. Alright, thank you for watching.